everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to do a video about this new mascara that has been trending so much on social media. So I wanted to show you guys this mascara. This is the mascara. It's the Lash It Loud mascara by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I got the one in jet black. It's supposed to be very volumizing, and it's supposed to be a very nice amplifying, defining brush, and it's supposed to be very good, you know, mascara wise. So I want to give it a try. I want to see how it is. As you guys can see, obviously I don't have any mascara on right now, but I do have makeup on, but I don't have any mascara on. So you guys, let's give it a try and let's see how it is. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the package. By the way, I love this bronzy kind of vibe right now with this box. So you guys, this is how the packaging looks. It's very cute, it's very compact. It's from e.l.f. as you guys can see. It's called Lash It Loud. It's a very nice, defining, volumizing mascara. So let's go ahead and see how this brush is. You guys, the brush is very thin. The bristles are very thin and very nice. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get any clumping with this. I really like it already. It's very nice. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my first coat of mascara. You guys, I don't know if it's just my lashes, but it literally did little to no effect on my eyelashes. I'm pretty sure it's because I have very short lashes, but you know, that shouldn't have been a problem with the volumizing and defining. Let's give it another coat and see how it is. You guys, I'm going in with the second coat right now. As you guys can see, it did do a little bit of volumizing and amplifying the lash. I like this mascara so far. I want to give it one last coat and see if it does any good or if it just gets clumped up. Alright, so you guys, I'm going in with the last coat. This is the third coat. I want to see if it gets clumped up or not. Going ahead with the other eye, the last coat, the third coat. You guys, I am absolutely amazed with these results. It's not clumpy at all, honestly. If you can see, my eyelashes are pretty short. They are very short, but this mascara did definitely define and amplify and volumize, you know, my eyelashes. It did make it look very long, longer than it really is. I really like it, and honestly, guys, this mascara out of 10, I want to give it a 9.5. I didn't give it that last, you know, 5 points, 0.5 points, because it could have done a little better, because I could have got more, you know, length, but it is a very good mascara for the price. I really am in love with this mascara. It is definitely going to be a mascara that I'm going to use almost every day now because I really like it. It's very viral, as you guys may all know, but I really am going to start using this mascara. It's very nice, and it does claim what it does. My lashes are not long, so obviously I'm not going to get extreme results because of the length of my lashes, but overall, just the mascara itself. It's a very good volumizing mascara. It does do what it says. I love the brush. I love the bristles. It's very thin. It doesn't clump up. So if you guys are looking to get a mascara that doesn't clump up, this would be your go-to right now. I really like it. It's very affordable as well, so definitely should look into it if you're looking into some mascara that does give you a lot of volume, although it is very affordable. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this coming up in the near future, then please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. I really appreciate all of the support and love you guys have given me so far. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.